Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士
In this video, we'll talk about single and double
了
with quantified objects. The structure of Chinese sentences with quantified objects is the same as in English. Quantified objects always appear after the verb. The doctor might say, we should eat an apple every day. The Chinese sentence is,
我们最好每天吃一颗苹果
here
一颗苹果
is a quantified object. We can place
了
right after the verb in the sentence structure, or after the verb and at the end of the sentence. The two patterns carry different meanings. A single
了
after the verb points to a completed action or implies a time in the past. If I want to say, I ate an apple, I have to say
我吃了一颗苹果
with a
了
after the verb. Double
了
instead implies till now or so far. If I ask the boy who is eating the apple, how many apples have you eaten? His response will be,
我吃了一颗苹果了
by the way, there's an implication that the action may continue with a double
了
sentence. See what the boy says next.
我吃了一颗苹果了还想吃
So the difference is the point in time. If the action happened in the past, we use one.
了
If the action is an ongoing action, we use two.
了
Now it's your turn to decide whether there's a single
了
or double
了
in the sentence. Let's start. We ran into
小王
on the street and found out that he bought 5 books in the bookstore just now. The conversation goes like this.
你为什么拿着那么多书
Why are you carrying so many books? What is
小王
response with single
了
or double?
了我刚刚在书店买了5本书
It's a single.
了
Did you answer correctly? Here's another practice question. They're drinking beer, and I guess that they've had 8 glasses so far. How do you say they've had 8 glasses of beer so far in Chinese? Think twice before you say it in a sentence.
他们喝了8杯啤酒了
It's double.
了
Here's the last one. The girl singing is
小文
and the other is
小美小美
already sang 3 songs, and now it's showtime for
小文
has already sung 2 songs. So how would you say this longer sentence?
小美唱了3首歌现在换小文唱小文已经唱了2首了
Good job. So that's the difference between single
了
and double
了
with quantified objects. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.